Shubman Gill ruled out for second test due to lack of match fitness, sparking a selection puzzle for India's playing 11 with Sai Sudarshan and Nitish Kumar Reddy in A. Running. The National Investigation Agency, NIA, has arrested 6 people in connection with the November 10 blast near the Red Fort in Delhi, which killed at least 15 and injured others. The Supreme Court has ruled that a governor cannot indefinitely withhold assent to a bill without returning it to the state legislature. Upholding federalism principles. Season 3 of The Family Man starring Manoj Bajpayee is Shrikant Tiwari set to release on November 21, 2025, with new villains and high emotional stakes. Mandhira Kapoor Smith defends her brother Sanjay against accusations of treating Karishma Kapoor poorly, regrets supporting his relationship with Priya. Delhi police presented Sharjeel Imam's speeches to Supreme Court, calling accused individuals anti-nationals in a UAPA case related to the Delhi riots conspiracy. A group of 6 friends from Pune died when their Thar SUV crashed into a 500-foot gorge while driving back from Konkan at night. Senior editors Prabodh Jamwal and Anuradha Bhasin say Sia raids aimed at intimidating, delegitimizing, and silencing Kashmir Times. A college student in Maharashtra's Kalyan died by suicide, allegedly due to mental stress following an assault on a local train for speaking Hindi. The US has approved a $93 million arms sale to India, including Javelin anti-tank missiles and precision artillery projectiles. Amid easing trade tensions, TCS is forming a $2 billion joint venture with TPG to build AI data centers, marking a strategic shift towards capex-heavy model. At Investor Day 2025, Mahindra outlined its automotive roadmap with big SUV push, global ambitions, and strong farm equipment growth, driven by electric mobility expansion. Government plans to make Aadhaar mandatory for entering restaurants, housing societies and other public places as part of an offline push. Doctors in Delhi warn of a surge in dry eye disease due to indoor heating, screen time, and pollution affecting young professionals and children. India has launched its first indigenous CRISPR-based gene therapy to combat sickle cell disease, particularly in tribal regions where it is most widespread. A doctor suggests using cold-pressed oils at home to improve cholesterol levels and support heart health due to their retained nutrients. Astrophysicist Avi Loeb accuses NASA of hiding the truth about 3I Atlas, questioning their findings and suggesting they may be downplaying anomalies related to the interstellar object. NASA scientists discovered an 80-centimeter rock on Mars' surface, standing out from its surroundings, and sparking speculation it might be from another planet. Nvidia releases new driver to address performance drop in Windows 11 gaming caused by recent update, specifically the KB5066835 patch released last month. A Google TV remote maker has developed a solar-powered remote with cells on front and back, allowing it to charge via room lights in various orientations. Sonam Kapoor has announced her second pregnancy, receiving warm wishes from Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor, Parineeti Chopra and other Bollywood stars. The Pyar The 2, starring Ajay Devgan and Rakul Preet Singh, has crossed the 50 crore mark at the Indian box office. It is close to entering the top 5 Bollywood romantic grosses of all time. Popular OTT platforms are releasing highly anticipated shows like The Family Man Season 3, The Bengal Files, Homebound, and Bison among others this week. AB4 features G.V. Prakash and Jay Krishna alongside Rashad Hadani in a love story. Directed by Ajay Bhupati, Mandhira Kapoor denies her brother Sanjay mistreated Karishma Kapoor during their marriage, describing a bad divorce rather than abuse. Superstar Rajnikant celebrates 50 years in the entertainment industry with a dedicated front page. Tribute. Rajnikant Times. In Hindustan Times, Netflix has announced the streaming date of Homebound, India's official entry for the 98th Academy Awards now. The film is produced by Karan Johar and stars Ishan Khattar. Aditya Dhar's film, Dhurandhar, starring Ranveer Singh as a spy, is split into two parts due to extensive footage and story complexity. Releasing in December 2025 and mid-2026. Netflix's Stephen is a psychological thriller that delves into dark human nature, directed by Mithun Balaji. It stars Gomathi Shankar in a captivating role. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services has issued a draft form for its proposed Gold Card program, which would grant permanent residency to wealthy foreign nationals through significant government donations. Indian seafood gains popularity in China due to Beijing's restrictions on Japanese imports, benefiting the industry hit by US tariffs. Mehdi Hasan criticizes Eric Trump for his remarks about New York City Mayor-elect Zoran Mamdani, calling him a dumb son, and correcting his claim that Mamdani is Indian. China says trade cooperation with Japan has been severely impacted due to Japanese Prime Minister's comments on Taiwan. According to the Chinese Commerce Ministry, Pakistan is constructing a new island, reportedly due to US President Donald Trump's expressed interest in its massive oil reserves. Taking his "Drill, Baby, Drill" slogan literally, the US has removed tariffs on over 200 food items from India, expected to boost agricultural exports and create a more level playing field, with increased demand anticipated by exporters. Actress Caroline Levitt talks about her large age difference with husband and the family's initial reaction to their relationship. Australia's Steve Smith emphasises the need for versatility in the team as they prepare to face England in the highly anticipated Ashes series. India A faces Bangladesh A in the Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025 semi-finals. Set for November 21, Pakistan A and Sri Lanka A complete the tournament's final four. Ben Stokes challenges England to create our own history as they bid for their first Ashes series win in Australia since 2010-11, a feat only achieved by 5 teams since World War II. Hardik Pandya's return to competitive cricket delayed, ruling him out of upcoming ODI series against South Africa due to a few more days' wait.